everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg and today we have a vlog for you. So today I have a little bit of a lot going on. I definitely want to carve pumpkins today. We're going to be doing a lot with Miss Luna. Back there, we definitely want to take her on a walk, so just go ahead and see where the day takes us. I definitely jacked the pumpkin up, so I kind of redid it. We're using that little indent to our advantage here. And if you do mess your pumpkin up and you already put marker down, just use some nail polish remover and it will erase it. I mean, like, not completely, you can like faintly see what used to be on there, but not enough for anyone to notice. I call this a win. The U got a little bit messed up, but I think it still looks pretty great. For those of you not familiar, this is a Harry Potter themed pumpkin. Yes! Beautiful baby, beautiful girl, yeah. Are you excited you're on your walk, Luna? Yeah. If not, we're back in the Midwest. I have some Ugg boots, which I haven't worn in years, and they legit feel like I'm wearing moon boots. I love the crunch of leaves. Love going for walks in the woods, and that is the one thing that Arizona did not have, at least in the Phoenix area, because it's so hot. There's no woods, there's like really no hiking trails that were great for dogs, so that is the one thing that I'm grateful to have back here in Ohio. path. I think it was so pretty. Searching for the deer that we ran into last time. Sure, in her mind they were just big dogs. So I just checked the mail and I did get something from Influencer, and since I was just sitting down, later on in the video I'm going to have my crystal corner, I think is what I'm going to be calling it. I'm going to be talking about my different crystals, so make sure you stay tuned for that and let me know in the comments down below. Would you like me to continue with the segment? Let me know what you think of it. I know it's not for everyone, but I love crystals and love learning about them, so I mean more about that later. But anyways, on to Influencer. They sent me a package, so basically I will have my whole spiel on Influencer down below. It's basically a site where it's 100% free. You just fill out different surveys. If they feel like you would be a good fit for testing out certain products, they will have you fill out a survey based on the product, and then if you meet the requirements, they will send you the product free of charge for your testing and opinions. You're 100% not persuaded whatsoever to give positive reviews. They want your honest review and opinion on the product. So these were just sent for my testing purposes. Want to get that out of the way with, especially with all the controversy with Sunday Riley publishing positive reviews. That's not what this is whatsoever. If you hate everything that you get in the box, you can post that in your review and you will continue to get more boxes of product. It's not just beauty stuff. They do have a bunch of different categories. I received pet items and stuff before, so be sure to check it out. I'll have the link down below and more about what it's all about. So this is a beauty prep box. So I was kind of intrigued. I'm like, what am I going to be getting in here? So I'm really excited to see what products are in here. And on the back, it gives a description. I don't want to cheat. I want to be surprised. Oh my goodness. So this is what I see when I open the box. It already looks like a bunch of good stuff. Like normally I'm surprised. I know that they do have higher end boxes and more designer stuff, but I've always gotten more drugstore products from them. So the first thing I'm going to pull out are these velour lashes. These are faux mink lashes. And it comes with a little bit of velour eyelash glue, which is amazing in case you don't have eye glue. See if there is a style name. It just says hashtag no filter, so I wonder if this style. I will have to try these out the next time I do my makeup because I love my Ardell wispies. That's what I'm wearing now. So these are, wow, these are $26 lashes. I would never in my life purchase these on my own because like I said, I love Ardell. It's like less than $5 for a pair of lashes. But they are 100% cruelty-free lashes made from the world's most premium synthetic material to mimic real hairs. And it's handmade with innovative curl technology that allows to be water resistant and retains its shape for over 20 wears, exclusively at Ulta. I'm so excited to try these out. I've never tried fancy, expensive lashes before. I got an Elizabeth Arden perfume. This is so cool. So this is called My Fifth Avenue. It retails for $52. It is just under 2 ounces. It's described as a fragrant celebration of women's rightful ambition and celebrating the unique passion generated at heart of New York City. Oh, I love that description. It's very like in for now. The sparkling fresh floral scent. I love floral perfumes. That's like all that I ever buy. So already on a good note. It evokes the energy of the most famous street in the world, featuring crisp citrus, feminine floral and woody notes, reflecting a woman's strength and resilience and pairing the scent of success. I love that. So this is what the box looks like. It's pretty chic. I'm so excited for this. I've like never gotten a box that had this much net value before. And the bottle is a very chic and sophisticated looking. Oh, I'm so excited to smell this. I hope I like it. Oh. I like this a lot. It's a really, really fresh scent. You can definitely sense the citrus in here. And the floral notes are what make it so fresh. But it's like not super mature smelling where it's like that overpowering, overbearing, like your mom or your grandma's perfume where it gives you an instant headache. Like this is subtle, but you can just tell it's a more mature note. So perfect for somebody in my age category of being in their late 20s. Do you like the scent? Is that what made you come over here? Huh? I know, you need to go out. We'll go out in a minute. Is it Luna approved? You like the bottle? It smells good, doesn't it? So yeah, it's definitely not like, and when I say mature, it's definitely not like a Juicy Couture, like more teen scented perfume. It's definitely one for I would say anyways, a good scent for somebody maybe in like their mid-20s, like up to like their 40s or something. I'm not good at recommending ages for different perfumes, but I really enjoy this. It's really nice, it's subtle, it's not overpowering. Okay, don't lick it, that's gross. Next up we have a little sample from Avila. This is normally what you kind of get in Vox boxes, so I'm shocked that I got like a full-size perfume and expensive falsies. Because normally they do just give you like little samples. But this is a damage remedy for hair repair, which is perfect because I just bleached my hair a bunch and it's definitely drying out in the winter season. So originally 3.5 ounces for $30. It is a leave-in treatment that instantly visibly repairs and protects from heat styling, reducing breakage by 90% in 1 week. Detangles and helps protect from breakage and damage due to heat styling. So I'm really excited to test this out. It could be a product that will be really useful to me. Last thing that is in here has a whole place card of its own. Can you not? And then also the lashes came with instructions in case you were unfamiliar with how to use them. But this is from Patchology. I've heard of the brand, I'm not super familiar, but this is a breakout box 3-in-1 acne kit treatment. So this is really cool. So it comes with 24 pimple shrinking salicylic acid dots, 24 whitehead absorbing hydrochloric dots, 3 blackhead eliminating nose strips. This is super interesting. I feel like my husband would get better use out of the blackhead strips because that's what his issues are, but I have issues with the other two, so I'm really excited to test this out. And that's cool that they're like little patches. The time of the month is coming up, it's approaching, so I'm sure I'll get use out of this. Anyways, it says that it is originally $52, so I'm not sure again if this is probably the full kit, huh? It says that is $52, and I'm guessing this is the whole kit. I'm not really sure. I'll have to look into that more, but I will try to give you guys an update on this. So that's that. I'm so excited. I haven't gotten a box in so long. I really thought I was kicked off there for a minute. So I'm so excited. The perfume, I absolutely love it. I'm pumped to try out the lashes. I'm excited for the hair treatment. I'm excited to see how this blemish kit is gonna work in the next week or two. And the perfume is also Luna approved. Huh, did you love it? Yeah, I know, you're very interested. Are you getting tired? Is it almost night time? Alright, it is the end of the night. The lighting looks a little bit rough in here because it's super dark, so I had to turn my studio lights on. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting 2 beauty related videos a week and a vlog every week, so you don't want to miss out on it. If you're new and you want to get caught up, check out the other videos right here. I know you want to. Thank you so much for watching. Luna and I are going to say goodbye and good night, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.